Hello everyone, welcome back. How to present thought of the day in the school morning assembly. Good morning everyone. My name is Hansika Tyagi. Thought of the day is all power is within you. You can do anything and everything by Swami Vivekanand. Which means Swami Vivekanand one of the greatest spiritual leaders of India, asserted that all power is within you, serve as a powerful reminder that true power lies within. This means that people already own strength in their intellect, ethics, and inner soul. We usually look outside sources for inspiration and forget that everything starts inside. Weakness is cultivated from negative thinking and fear, and as soon as we overcome the troubles in our mind, we will be able to achieve exceptional things. My dear friends, let's shun our weaknesses and make our responsibilities our strengths. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.